Today's video is on the top 3 best tennis rackets in 2025. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3. Best budget. Babolat Pure Strike Tennis Racket. Are you ready to dominate the court with precision and power? The Babolat Pure Strike 9816 by 19 Tennis Racket, 4th generation, is the ultimate choice for aggressive players with bold swing ranges who want to take full control of their natural power. Designed with the best technologies in its 4th generation, this racket delivers unmatched control and feel at impact. With this in your hands, you can aim for your target areas with confidence and crush every volley like a pro. What makes this racket a game changer? It's packed with cutting-edge features to boost your performance. The control frame technology combines the stability of a square section frame with the power of an elliptical structure, giving you maximum control without compromising power. The FSI control technology pairs a tighter string pattern with the woofer system, enhancing ball string contact time for a more precise feel. Adding to the experience is End F2 Tech, which incorporates natural flax fibers for optimal vibration filtration. Not only does this deliver an extreme feel at impact, but it also mutes sound for a more controlled playing experience. Curious about the specs? The Pure Strike 98 is built to elevate your play. It features a head size of 98 square inches, a strung weight of 11.4 ounces, and a length of 27 inches. With a balanced weight distribution of 320 millimeters, a graphite composition, and a 16 by 19 string pattern, this racket blends power, control, and precision perfectly. Its sleek color combination of white, red, and black ensures you'll look as sharp as your game. Every player has unique needs, and this racket gives you string options to match. Are you looking for comfort? Go with Sin Gut, perfect for recreational players, craving a lively feel and consistent tension? Touch VS has you covered. For spin enthusiasts, RPM Rough offers unrivaled spin potential, while RPM Blast provides control with exceptional spin. If you want the perfect balance of comfort, control, and responsiveness, Zalt is the way to go. For those chasing power, RPM Power delivers unmatched performance, and Addiction strikes a balance between power and comfort. Complete your tennis setup with a Pure Strike tennis bag. The backpack, with a capacity of 42 liters, can hold up to 3 rackets while ensuring comfortable transport. Measuring 50 by 25 by 30 centimeters, it's perfect for players on the go. Need more space? The 6-pack racket holder fits up to 6 rackets and includes an insulated compartment and a shoe compartment. For serious players, the 12-pack racket holder offers ample room for 12 rackets, plus insulation and a shoe compartment for ultimate convenience. Hit that subscribe button like you're about to break a racket with excitement. Number 2. Best overall. Wilson Blade Unstrung Performance Tennis Rackets. Looking for the perfect tennis racket to take your game to the next level? Let's explore the Wilson Blade 98 16 by 19 version 9 Unstrung Performance Tennis Racket, specifically in grip size 1/4 and 1/8 inches. This racket is all about delivering precision, feel, and control for serious players. But what makes it so special? Let's break it down. First things first, this racket comes unstrung, allowing you to select the strings that perfectly suit your style of play. By doing so, Wilson ensures that you have complete control over customizing the racket to meet your unique needs. The smaller head size, a hallmark of the Blade 98, provides enhanced precision, enabling you to execute clean, accurate shots with a crisp, satisfying feel. Whether you're aiming for pinpoint cross-court placements or working the net with finesse, the racket's smaller head gives you that added control to outplay your opponent. Adding to its impressive build is the 16 by 19 open string pattern, which strikes an ideal balance between spin, potential, and power. This string pattern allows the ball to sink deeper into the strings, creating additional bite for heavy topspin or wicked slice shots. Whether you're looking to put more spin on your serves or dominate long rallies with powerful ground strokes, This racket adapts to your game, offering versatility and performance in every swing. But there's more to this racket than just its core specifications. It's packed with thoughtful upgrades that make it a standout choice. For instance, Wilson has revamped the bumper and grommet design, making it more durable and easier to install. These updates ensure the racket remains in peak condition, even after rigorous play. And let's not overlook its striking aesthetics. The blade. 98 boasts a stunning emerald night green matte finish accented with bold pops of orange. This sleek, modern look isn't just eye-catching, it perfectly complements the sharp, dynamic performance of the frame. Underneath its elegant design lies some of Wilson's most advanced technology. At the heart of Blade 98 is 45 degree, Wilson's patented frame layup technology. This innovative material enhances flexibility and stability, creating a more connected to the ball feel with every stroke. 45 degrees also complements today's vertical swing paths, offering an edge to players who rely on fast, modern strokes. The result? A racket that feels responsive and controlled, even under the most intense conditions. One standout feature is the Direct Connect technology, where the carbon fiber handle extends into the end cap. This innovative design improves the feel and adds torsional stability, keeping the racket steady even during high-pressure points. And let's not forget the stable field technology, which sharpens the blade's stability and enhances your connection to every shot, making it ideal for players seeking to fine-tune their performance. Designed for avid players, the Wilson Blade 98 is more than a racket. It's your ultimate partner on the court. Try Amazon Prime on us for 30 days. Free. Link below. Number 1. Our pick. Head Auxetic. Extreme Pro Tennis Racket. Imagine generating extreme spin that leaves your opponent scrambling. Sounds exciting, right? That's exactly what the new Head Auxetic 2.0 Extreme Pro Tennis Racket brings to your game. Endorsed by none other than Matteo Berrettini, this racket, previously known as the Extreme Tour, is perfect for tournament players who want to control the game with unmatched spin and power. It's engineered to help you dictate every point with precision and force. What makes this racket so special? It's packed with advanced technology designed to elevate your game. The Auxetic 2.0 technology offers real-time, super accurate feedback, creating a seamless connection between you and your racket. The inclusion of graphene inside strengthens the frame, improves stability, and optimizes energy transfer, so every shot feels solid and impactful. Sound grommets add extra power through greater string movement, while also optimizing sound and vibration for a crisp feel. Spin grommets allow the main strings to move more, boosting both spin and power. Add in the spin shaft for enhanced lateral stability and the spin pattern for maximum string snapback, and you've got a racket that's truly built to amplify your spin potential. The Extreme Pro doesn't just sound impressive, its specifications back it up. With a beam width of 22, 23, and 21 millimeters, a head size of 98 square inches, and a weight of 10.8 ounces. Unstrung. This racket strikes the perfect balance between power and control. Choosing the right string can make all the difference, and this racket offers plenty of options to suit your game. Synthetic gut provides an excellent balance of power and control, ideal for all-around players. Velocity MLT caters to tournament players who prioritize power and comfort, while Reflex MLT delivers premium multi-filament strings for unmatched comfort and control. If spin and power are your priorities, Lynx Touch has you covered. Intermediate and advanced players will love Lynx Tour, which blends control with spin. Want to keep all your gear organized and ready? Head has you covered with a range of tennis bags that match your needs. The Extreme Pro backpack is compact yet versatile, holding up to 2 rackets and featuring an integrated shoe compartment and side pockets for your essentials. The Tour 3-pack bag is a great choice if you need space for 3 rackets, plus extras. For players with more gear, the Extreme Pro Medium duffel bag accommodates up to 6 rackets in its 2 main compartments. Remember, We've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.